To learn QuickBooks. Start by understanding the basics of accounting and bookkeeping, as QuickBooks is an accounting software that helps you manage your business finances. Begin by setting up your QuickBooks account, choosing the right version for your business, whether it is QuickBooks Online or QuickBooks Desktop. Next, familiarize yourself with the navigation and interface of QuickBooks, including the dashboard, menus, and toolbars. Learn how to create a company file, set up your chart of accounts, and customize your settings to suit your business needs. Then, focus on learning the key concepts of QuickBooks, such as invoicing, tracking expenses, managing payroll, and reconciling accounts. Practice creating invoices, entering expenses, and running reports to get a better understanding of how QuickBooks works. It is also essential to learn how to manage your customers and vendors in QuickBooks, including creating customer and vendor profiles, tracking sales and purchases, and managing accounts receivable and payable. Learn how to use the banking features in QuickBooks to connect your bank accounts, reconcile transactions, and manage your cash flow. To become proficient in QuickBooks, practice using the software regularly, and take advantage of the many resources available, including online tutorials, webinars, and user guides. You can also consider taking a QuickBooks course or certification program to learn from experienced instructors and get hands-on practice. Some best practices to keep in mind when learning QuickBooks include regularly backing up your data, using passwords and security features to protect your information, and staying up to date with the latest software updates and features. By following these steps and practicing regularly, you can become proficient in QuickBooks and improve your ability to manage your business finances.